Hello learners, hi, how are you all? I hope you're all doing good and I hope your exam preparations are also going really well. You might have seen the series of videos that I've been doing of late on basics of accounting. In the past videos, we've done journal, we've done ledger, we've done trial balance, and we've also done a little bit of subsidiary books. And this video is continuation of the same series of videos. For the rest of the videos, you can go check out the playlist that's there on Ish's Academy's YouTube channel. Fine. So let's go further ahead. We have discussed subsidiary books. What are subsidiary books? And we've discussed why we prepare subsidiary books. We've also discussed the reason why we prepare subsidiary books in a big organization. And we are now familiar with the list of subsidiary books also. And in the last video in the series, we've done sales book. Now we're going to do purchase book. But before I discuss anything about purchase book, I want you all to be aware of the new batch that we're starting on the Unacademy platform. This is the batch for November 2022 examination of CA Foundation. This is from the team of Ish's Academy on the Unacademy platform. 100% comprehensive English batch for CA Foundation exam. So the batch has already started in the month of June 2022. Not much of syllabus is done. You can definitely join in now and then pull in, because Unacademy gives you not just live interactive classes but also recorded backup of all the classes together. And you know the plus features of live sessions with recorded backup available. You can raise your hand to talk to the educator to solve your doubts. Along with all of this, you get added benefits and iconic feature like the printed hard copy of the material available at your doorstep, one-to-one live mentoring, quizzes on regular intervals, evaluated test series, and quite a lot of other features. You can avail the iconic subscription of Unacademy by taking up the subscription, which comes at a price of 23,895. This is surprising because till date you used to get 10% off for using the code YESHAS, YESHAS, but now you will get 20% off because of the additional 10% discount that's running. So this is available for a very short period of time. So please avail it ASAP and then take up your subscription for a 12-month time at 23,895, for a 24-month period of time at 33,858 for Iconic. If you want a simple plus subscription, it comes at 14,256 for 12 months and 19,602 for 24 months. So what are you waiting for? Take up your Unacademy subscription today and join us and let us help you in this journey of CA Foundation. Now we'll get back to our purchase book. Purchase book is a day book. It's a primary book of accounts, and in this we record all the credit purchase of goods. If it is credit purchase but not of goods but relating to assets, we will not record it in purchase book. If it is cash purchase of goods, it will still not be recorded. So this book needs you to fulfill two conditions to enter a transaction in it. Number one, it should be credit. Number two, it should be goods. If it is cash purchase, entry will not be made. If it is credit purchase but not of goods but of assets, again the entry will not be made in purchase book. So what we enter in purchase book is credit purchase of goods, and the total of the purchase book at the end of the period will be transferred to purchase account. So what we need to note here is purchase book will have total of credit purchases, purchase account will have credit purchases as well as cash purchases. So cash purchases will not be entered in purchase book. Cash purchases will be entered in cash book, and from there we will transfer it to cash account and also will transfer to purchase account. I hope you are aware now. So similar thing is what we had discussed with regard to sales book also. The total of the sales book gets transferred to sales account. Sales account will comprise of both cash and credit sales. However, sales book will comprise only of credit sales. And here is a small format of how you enter the transactions in purchase book. In the purchase book, we'll have a dedicated date column to record the transactions in chronological order. You heard me right? It is chronological, not chronological. In the recent test that was concluded, someone wrote chronological, CORONE. Like so fond of this word in the last 2 years that everywhere, wherever something similar comes, it is corona. Correct or not? Okay, someone was singing Corona, Corona also the other day. And you would write up the invoice number for the purchase that you made. Here the invoice number will not be in the order because it is the invoice received by you from somebody else. So it will not be in the serial order. I hope you get that. And what we have after that is the name of the party, when you write the purchaser or say the supplier's name and the net amount in the amount column. That net amount is arrived to after adjusting for trade discount, and you would also have to write GST in here if it is there. However, at CA foundation level, none of the questions in ICA material or in the questions that's been asked in past examination given in RTP or MTP has any GST implication on purchase and sale transaction. So that's with regard to how you enter the transactions in purchase book. So remember the fact that the credit transactions or transactions relating to goods are the only transactions, sorry, credit transactions and the transactions relating to goods are the transactions recorded in purchase book, and cash transactions or transactions relating to assets will not be recorded in purchase book. So that's with regard to purchase book in this video. Very soon we will come back to discuss purchase return book, sales return book and further. So see you all in the next one. Till then, stay in the game.